The old one was life expired, and it had gone brittle, and it had not leaked in 25 years, but we realised that at that point we'd been lucky, so we decided to renew it. We did a lot of homework into what we should do, whether to start again with a new conservatory or whether to upgrade the roof. And we eventually, after a lot of work looking into it, we decided to upgrade the roof, and we went for TWS. We had 3 different quotes and TWS were the best. The scaffolding turned up at 7 o'clock in the morning, followed by the delivery of the necessary parts, followed by the assembly, followed by the plastering and the electrics. The whole thing went like clockwork. No waiting for anything, it was really good. We were concerned at loss of light initially because we had a transparent roof before and this became a solid roof. We were concerned at loss of light, but having painted it white, it's made no difference whatsoever. We've not lost any light. We're delighted with the whole thing. And we can come out here. It used to be boiling hot in the summer and cool in the winter, and now we find it's a steady temperature. We've had no problems whatsoever. In fact, we've had a patio door fitted since we had the roof done.